Well, hello, gang. It's Sunday night in Thompson, Manitoba, and this is Chapter 2 of Feeding the Captain on Pennies Per Day, Beating the Per Diem. And tonight we thought, well, we'll go over to Safeway, and we'll up our game a little bit. We'll buy what's supposedly a great restaurant chain's TV dinner. So, we bought P.F Chang's chicken pad thai. And I like pad thai. Frankly, it's okay. But for the price, Walmart makes a pad thai under a different name that's $3 cheaper. So save yourself the money and buy the Walmart brand. And that's today's version of beating the per diem, beating the cap. So the chicken pad thai really scores bad. I'd give it like a 3 or a 4. The chicken's kind of stringy and not good at all. But the other thing I picked up that was good was, I'd say, these pizza buns. And you get 4 of them for $5. And I can't tell you how nice and soft and tender and real tasty. So they make a great meal. P.F Chang's pad thai, give it a miss.